You want to achieve a skin like milk and you don't want to learn? Come closer. I want to show you my secret for achieving this particular skin this year, 2026. Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi, Favy, with a beautiful face. And if today is the very first day I see me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. And for my OGs and my subscribers, welcome back to another video. You guys asked, and I'm here to deliver. Amarachi, Favy, what are you using in 2026 on your skin? Your skin has been glowing. I want you to tell me what you have been using. And it's not like I'm holding the information. I have been trying out new things, and I wanted to be very, very certain before I bring it on here to you guys. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do not forget to do that, and thank you for doing that. Let's dive into the video proper. Body tea, body matcha, glowy skin. This is the video, okay? You guys have hyped me up a lot of times in my comment section. Sometimes when I read your comments, I just laugh because I don't even know what to say. You guys have said, Amarachi, Favy, you are glowing differently. What are you doing? The first thing that I know that I consciously started doing this year was for me to look into my body products and also look into the body materials that I am using to do or achieve this skin that I am looking at. So the first thing I'm going to be telling you is that you're going to get a very good sponge. You cannot be talking about having a glowy skin or having a skin like milk or per se, and you don't have a good hand glove sponge, exfoliating sponge in quotes. I normally use the normal one that they sell in the market, which was sold for like maybe 500 naira, but ever since I started using this one that was sold for 3k to 5k depending on your location, okay, I have noticed a significant change. I currently have one in my bathroom, but that one is wet because I used it last night and it's not properly dry. So I was like, let me show you the new one I have. I always change my sponge as I change my brush. If I use my brushes for 3 months, that is the same way I use my sponges, especially when it comes to the particular sponge. So in the morning, I normally use my African net sponge, which is very, very good for exfoliating. It would help to exfoliate your skin. You don't know how important a sponge is until you do this thing that I'm telling you. Get yourself a good sponge. I want to show you what this one looks like on the inside so that you will see that there is a difference between this, okay, and the regular one that you get from the market. This particular one is very, very thick. Very, very thick, okay, very, very thick, and it actually goes a long way when it comes to exfoliating your skin. I always use the particular sponge only at night. I do not use them during the day. Reason being that during the day, my body has come in contact with a lot of bacteria, germs, oil, dirt, and at night I will come down to use my particular sponge to properly cleanse my skin very, very well, and it does a very good job. And even if you don't have a body scrub in your routine and you use this sponge every night, trust me, you're already exfoliating your skin and you're exfoliating enough, okay? So now that we're done with the materials that you're supposed to need, you're supposed to get an African net sponge and you're supposed to get a particular sponge. Use your African net sponge in the morning and then use this sponge at night, and you will be on the road to achieve this particular skin. So after sponge, I normally pre-cleanse my skin. The OGs already know. And let me tell you, once you're intentional about pre-cleansing your skin, you're going to notice a significant change on your skin. If you have not started pre-cleansing your skin, I would encourage you to do that this year and watch your skin for 2 months and come back and thank me later, okay? And for that, you're going to be using the mildest soap, okay, bar soap, because pre-cleansing is automatically the first wash that you are supposed to have in the shower, okay? Then when you are done, you can now go ahead to use any other product that you want to go ahead to use. And for pre-cleansing, I normally use Dove products. Let me show you. Dove products is either I use this one, this is Dove Pink Bar, and I also fell in love with this one, and which is the Dove Relaxing Bar, okay? It has this purple color. Or I go ahead to use this one, which is Dove Refreshing, which has this cucumber slices, which is green. Or I use the Dove Pampering, which has brown, okay? But I've run out of that one. So this is a new pack for you to see that I'm in love with this particular brand for pre-cleansing. One thing I like about Dove product is that it is very, very gentle, very calming, and it will help to wash your skin properly. But if you don't have money for Dove products, you can go ahead to get the Cushion or the Johnson. I personally use Cushion. It's just that for this video, I don't have Cushion available at the moment. My Cushion finished last month, and I'm yet to repurchase on that, or I'm yet to repurchase Cushion bar soaps. But Cushion is also very, very good. Cushion in particular, it is very creamy and very, very good, very mild, and it is very, very affordable. I think it's sold for 170 naira, very cheap. Very, very cheap. So you can lay your hand on Cushion if you don't have money to buy the Dove. But if you know you want to smell like a girl, you want to build your scent from the shower, I recommend you get the Dove. If you want to smell like a girly girl, then you get the pink. If you want to smell like a clean girl, you get the purple. If you want to smell fresh all day, you get this. And if you want to smell like vanilla, you get the brown one. I'm going to insert the picture on the screen. Okay, it is called Pampering. You get that one. So this will actually help you to kickstart a very good smell right from the shower, okay, while keeping your skin soft and gentle. For pre-cleansing, which I do with the Dove bar soap or the Cushion, I do it morning and night. Okay, for those of you that normally ask me, do you pre-cleanse morning and night? I pre-cleanse morning and night, and I pre-cleanse every day. So in the morning, after I'm done pre-cleansing, I will go ahead to use this body wash or shower gel, as the name implies, or shower cream. Shower cream from Fruzia. This is Fruzia double moisturizing shower cream that contains goat milk with UV white. It helps to cleanse and whiten for fairer skin. It helps to promote an even skin tone, and it leaves your skin soft. Very, very correct. It leaves your skin very, very soft. This particular shower cream has always been something that I've been using. I think it was the second video that I uploaded on this channel. If you're an OG, you would know that I have been with this particular shower cream. I've tried out lots of variants, okay, lots of variants, and it has been amazing so far. And for me to keep repurchasing, it means that it does what? It works, okay? It works. Number one is that the container is very big, 1000 ml, and it smells good. It helps you to glow up. It helps you to keep your skin fresh, and the quantity is good. In fact, everything about the particular body wash is so good. It is creamy, okay? If you're the type that don't want to use a body lotion, trust me, this is very, very moisturizing, but you need a body lotion in your routine. If you want to achieve this kind of skin, you need a body lotion. So this is particular one I use in the morning, only in the morning after my pre-cleansing. So for my night shower, okay, when I'm done pre-cleansing using the Dove or the Cushion, I go ahead to use this extract, okay? I have been loving this extract whitening herbal soap. The problem is for you to get an original extract, and once you get an original extract bar soap, you are already on your way to glow up. There was a time, I think that should be last 2 months, I had this discoloration here on my hand, okay? My hand got burnt by the sun on both sides, funny enough. And I treated it using this soap and other things I'm going to mention later. In fact, I'm going to give a detailed or do a detailed video on how I cleared that particular hyperpigmentation that I got from the sun, okay? But this particular bar soap works. It is actually very, very effective. It contains papaya calamari, okay? Which papaya extract helps to brighten up your skin. So if you want to brighten up your skin and you want to do it right, then I will advise you to get the particular bar soap. Just make sure that you're getting the original one, and you're going to use it after you are done using your pre-cleansing bar soap at night. But if you are someone that don't go out regularly in the morning, you are very certain that, oh, on Monday, I'm not going to go out today, I'm just going to be at home, you're a homebody, then you can use this soap morning and night after pre-cleansing. And trust me, you're going to get a faster result because you're using it that way. Another secret for using this from me would be that once I'm done using it on my body, I don't wash off immediately. I allow it to sit on my skin for a minute or two, then I will now wash it off, okay? That is how it has been working for me. Then for my exfoliation, most of you will say, what body scrub are you using? Since this year, I have not used a body scrub, and I've been using a very good exfoliating bar soap on the nights that I want to exfoliate my skin. Instead of me to use a physical scrub, I will now use an exfoliating soap, which is from this particular one. This is the Alpha 3 Abrotin Collagen soap. I have talked about the particular soap. In fact, I'm one of the creators that raved about this soap last year. This particular soap is very, 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 very good. Okay, it helps to brighten up your skin, it helps to whiten up your skin, it helps to properly exfoliate your skin because it contains alpha-arbutin, and it also contains collagen, which would help to make your skin to be firm. Your skin is not going to be looking saggy and all that. And on the nights that I don't want to use this, I will go ahead to use my Kojisan, which has been my fave. Okay, I've been loving this. Okay, as long as your skin is tolerant to Kojisan, I would advise you get this. But if you know your skin is too sensitive, you cannot get this, you can get this. Okay, you can get this one if this one is too strong for you. This is the Kojisan 3-in-1 bar soap, and once you get the original Kojisan soap, you are definitely going to enjoy the glow up that comes from it. Okay, this is for a lighter and even tone skin, and how I use it is that I pre-cleanse my skin using the bar soap from either the Dove or the Cushion. Then I go ahead to use this on my skin, you know, apply it on my skin, just allow it to sit on for a minute. Then I will go ahead to do what? Wash it off. And I do this just once a week these days because I don't want to overglow. I don't want to get white, okay? I don't want to vanish. So I do this exfoliation just once in a week these days. Before, I was doing it 2 times in a week, but for now, I only do it on Wednesday nights. And that is it. I don't do too much anymore because I know that I've already achieved the skin I want. This is the result that I want. I'm already seeing it. So I'm just trying to just maintain it. But if you're someone that is still trying to build up to this extent, then I would recommend you use it 2 times in a week and only at night. Okay, it will help to get rid of dead skin cell, especially with the help of the exfoliating gloves that you're going to be using. Now I am done with the bar soaps and everything that you have to do right in the shower, and now I'm going to show you the body lotions that I've been using since this year. And trust me, these body lotions are tea. Okay, so for the daily moisturizing body lotion that I use every morning, in fact, it have to be this particular one from Dove. This is Dove Pampering Care. Okay, this is Dove Pampering Care body lotion. In fact, any Dove body lotion that you can get is very, very fine. This particular body lotion is very moisturizing. I'm going to drop a few on my hand. It's very, very moisturizing, and it's deeply moisturizes your skin and hydrates your skin. You can see the clear difference from this hand and this hand. It gives that moisture, that hydration that your skin requires or your skin needs. Okay, it's actually for dry skin. But even if you don't have a dry skin, like I said, Dove body lotion is that mild, the most mild body lotion that I can recommend to anybody for any skin type, anytime, any day. Okay, you can use the Vigorating, you can use the Pampering, you can use any of the variants that you can lay your hands on. Then at night, I go ahead to use this particular body lotion. Okay, I've gone half already. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. Okay, the lotion is already here, meaning that I have been using it. Okay, you guys remember when I unboxed the particular lotion here and I talked about it? This particular body lotion has been amazing so far. If you're an OG, you should have already also known that I've also used particular body lotion before. This is from a Nigerian brand. This is Skin by Zara Vitamin C Brightening and Moisturizing body lotion. One thing I like about the body lotion is that it does not only brighten your skin, it also moisturizes your skin. You guys already know that some brightening body products do not really moisturize, but this actually does. And I like that it has this top pack, which I always put because when I'm traveling, I would not want the lotion to spill. So once you put this, no matter how you press this pump, it is not going to come out. Okay, and I'm going to apply it now so you guys can see the texture just a bit. I only want to apply small on this hand. It gives you this instant glow, like there's this instant glow up that comes from it. So this hand have the Dove, and then this hand have the Skin by Zara. It is very, very good. I like the fact that I have to apply it at night when I'm done stressing myself for the day because it contains vitamin C. Do not use this body lotion in the morning. What did I say? Do not use Skin by Zara body lotion in the morning. Use it at night, and then in the morning you can go ahead to use this. So this is my morning body lotion and this is my night body lotion. I'm actually enjoying the fact that I'm spilling all the teas. So for body oils, which is very, very compulsory, don't ask me, should I get a body oil? Don't ask me that question. If you want to achieve this kind of skin, You don't have to ask me questions. You just have to follow the instruction. So for body oils, in the morning, I go ahead to use my color one from Nasil. You guys already know that I got this body oil since last year, and it has been amazing. And I like the fact that you can spray it. Let me do it. You see? Ooh. I like the fact that you can spray it. So I'm going to spray it on my hand. Okay, like so. The hand that I apply the Dove, because this is how I apply my body care product in the morning. After my Dove, okay, I'm going to go ahead to use the particular body oil to now seal in the moisture and the ingredients and the effectiveness of that lotion using the Nasil body oil. And this is it, okay? This is the hand with the Nasil body oil. This is a baby oil. It is very, very affordable. And one thing I like about it is that the jar is very, very big. I'm trying to see the ml that it contains. How many ml? I can't see, but it's very, very big. Okay, so if you know you're someone that's on affordable route and you want something that would hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, seal in the ingredient that comes from your body lotion and make your body lotion to even work for you more effectively, I would advise that you go for the particular body oil. And then at night, the OG already knows that it has to be this Desire Vitamin C body oil. At night, I normally use brightening product. Have you seen the sequence? At night, I will use my extract papaya soap, and then I will use my Skin by Zaron, and then I will still use the particular one from Desire, which has vitamin C, and I'm going to apply it on this particular hand that has the Skin by Zaron. Just 2 drops is okay. Let's go ahead to massage it in. One thing I like about the particular body oil is that it has vitamin C. Good vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to do brighten up your skin. Okay, it helps to brighten up your skin. And once you use particular body oil at night, not in the morning, you're going to glow up. Okay, so this is the hand with the Desire Vitamin C body oil. I don't know if it is focusing enough. And then this hand has the Nasil baby oil. Let's compare. Comparison tests. Which one do people like? Nasil, Desire, Dove, and Nasil, Skin by Zaron, and Desire. Okay, this is how I do. This is how I layer my product. Once I'm done with the body lotion, I will seal it in using a body oil, whether it is in the morning or at night. I want to just go ahead to apply the remaining ones on my hand. So here you have it, my loves. These are my secret products that you guys think I've been hoarding, but I have not been hoarding. I've just been trying them out so that I can be very confident telling you how they work. And these are all the products that I've been using this year, and my skin is loving it so far. As you can see, I don't have dark elbow, I don't have dark knuckles, I don't have any discoloration on my skin. My skin is so even, okay? All these products helps to even out your skin tone and just give you a glowy and a better skin. A glowy and a healthier skin, I think. So if you have watched the particular point of the video and you're yet to subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and skincare secrets like this. Do not forget to subscribe. And if you want to know what I use on my face, you can go ahead to watch that video. I've already dropped the video already. And this particular one is just for body. And then later I'm going to be creating routines for those that cannot really get everything that I showed in this video. I'm going to try as much as possible to just create simpler routines that can also help you to glow up. Okay. So please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified once I upload a new video. Like this video, smash the like button already, and remember to drop a comment in the comment section telling me any of this product that you are using. I want to know if we're twinning, or telling me the product that you think you're gonna get because you just watched this video. And what else? Share the video to your loved ones, your haters, your enemies, anybody that you know that wants to glow up. Share the video to such persons. And until next time, my love, stay glowy. I love you all, and bye.